Good afternoon, students. Today I am teaching you the silk, natural animal fiber. Natural fiber comes under the category of animal fiber. Previous class also we took on the silk. Let me go in the details of these topics. Then you will be able to understand better. शुरू में आपने देखा था कि silk worm, the female silkworm, lays the egg on the mulberry leaves. The egg develops within 2 weeks, and it becomes caterpillar. It becomes larva caterpillar. Now, this caterpillar, very fast it grows and consumes mulberry leaves, and finally it becomes pupa, and by shaking the hand, releasing the proteins, and it makes the cocoons. I am coming to the cocoons now. Cocoons to the silk. How you get from cocoons to the silk? Not many questions might be coming that I have shown you the cocoons where we were boiling the cocoons in hot water. Why question comes, why we boil in hot water? Why we kill the larva inside the cocoons itself? मैं सिल्क वर्म को क्यों कोकून्स के अंदर ही मारना चाहता हूँ? Cocoons is a bundle of silk fibers, bundle of proteins thread. It is hard due to salsine. That is the gum which makes it hard. Now when we are boiling the cocoons, it will loosen the gum and thread can be unwound from cocoons. By boiling we can loosen the gum and the silk fibers can be unwound. But if we do not boil it, we allow the silkworm to grow. A time will come, it will break the cocoons. A breaking of cocoons will damage the silk. It will weaken the silk fiber. So, to avoid this, to get the better quality of silk, we are boiling it. Now listen and pay attention. Boiling cocoons are boiled in a hot water to kill the larva inside the cocoons. It is not, if it is not killed, then it will grow and break cocoons. It will reduce the strength of the silk fiber. We have discussed it. Now, the hot water softens the gum, that is sericin, which makes the protein fiber stronger, harder. Sericin, it allows the unwinding of silk as a continuous thread. Sericin make gum harder, so it will allow a continuous thread and long fiber I can get it. Now, then my question will be what? Question number 1. Why we boil cocoons? Why we boil cocoons in hot or in water? Boil का मतलब ही है hot water है. दूसरा नंबर क्वेश्चन, what will be effect on silk if we do not boil cocoons. Third question. Define reeling. What is the reeling? What is reeling? It is a process of taking out we are winding it, now it will be wound. It is a process of taking out of silk thread. It is a process of taking out of silk thread from the cocoons. It is a process of taking out the silk thread from cocoons are called reeling of silk. Many fibers are 3 to 10 fine filaments are reeled together. I will tell you now, the filaments are reeled together. A single filament you are taking out, it may be weaker. So 3 to 10 filaments are reeled together during taking out of silk filaments from cocoons, so that it will not break. So 3 to 10 fine filaments are held together to yield a stronger thread called raw silk. Then what is the raw silk? Raw silk. 3 to 10 filaments are reeled together during the unwinding of cocoons. What is raw silk? So, I have given you fourth question, what is the raw silk? Three to 10 filaments are reeled together while we take out the filaments from cocoons during the boiling process. That is known as reeling, in which we get the raw silk. So, I have given you fourth number question, raw silk. And fifth number question, what is a spun silk? A spun silk, explain. You know the damaged silk or waste cocoons? From that broken fibers of the silk, we make the silk. That silk is known as a spun silk. The waste silk, waste cocoons, damaged silk fibers, we make the silk that is known as a spun silk. I will show you the activity, then further we will go. Please watch it. How we are going to boil the cocoons. Children, we are boiling the cocoons. This is called silk reeling. Now from silk we are taking out the thread with the... Now watch. What actually happens? It is very fine, not visible. Here the cocoons are there. These cocoons threads are being attached with it. These filaments. Slowly it moves and filaments are there. Just watch it. These are the cocoons lying here itself. Do not count from the movement. These are the threads. Now see, this here thread is going your silk yarn, silk fibers. Now we are doing twisting. So from silk fiber to the silk thread, you are making the yarn now. Now children, you have seen that we are getting the spinning, we are getting the thread. Now this you got the silk thread, silk yarn. Now silk dyeing, we are doing the coloring of the silk as per our choice. Silk fabric. Okay, thank you. So children, we told you what is the spun silk. We have shown you what is the reading and making the yarn from the silk fibers. Throwing. The raw silk are twisted to produce thrown silk. What is the throwing? When your raw silk, the raw silk are twisted to produce the silk fiber. That is called thrown fiber. And this process is known as throwing. The raw silk are twisted to produce the thrown silk. What is the special in thrown silk? Thrown silk, it is a twisted form, do not allow the splitting of yarn into fibers. See, it stops from a splitting of fibers. Thrown silk stops from a splitting of fibers. So I told you, explain you all the details of the silk. You know until now how the silk cloth is there. So my chapter is complete. I am completing the silk. Now do all 4 questions and take the question from your book. I am going to give you the question. So take it. We will be coming to the next chapter. This is my chapter complete. Now take the questions. You can answer these questions. We will send you through WhatsApp also, but it is in video. We have केवल क्वेश्चन दीजिए, ठीक? क्वेश्चन है. Okay children, watch it. We will send you again. Thank you.